Hello everyone, Shubham here. Welcome to Web Coders. So, in the previous videos, we have learned about how websites work and how internet work. But for proper deployment and development of websites, it is must to know that which tools we are going to use in our further videos and what are the code editors which are required for proper development of those websites. So, this lecture is very important for those who are totally beginners and who do not have any experience about any code editors, how to run them and how to use them. So in this lecture we are totally going to set up our web development environment. So let's move on. So there are a lot of actually code editors in market. Actually first one like VS Code, which is one of also the best code editor developed by Microsoft. Another one is Atom or Sublime Text or even Notepad. You can use any of the code editor for development of websites, but you cannot use Notepad. Actually, you can use, but Notepad have not that much great features which these three have. And almost VS Code and Atom have most features even than Sublime Text. So in our courses, further moving on, we are going to use either VS Code or Atom, and I totally personally recommend to use Atom because some of their benefits, as we are going to learn more what are their benefits. So let's move on. So the major tools which we are going to use in or this web development bootcamp course is Chrome and Atom editor. So I'm going to tell you about Atom. So Atom is basically nothing but just a code editor developed by GitHub community, which is fully open source. And the power of Atom actually comes from the packages which are developed by the community of developers which are continuously working and even improving them, and these packages actually add great features to Atom. I'm not telling that VS Code have not great extension features, but even though I have used Atom and VS Code both, but I feel more comfortable Atom for development of website. So for the installation of Atom, we have to do just nothing. You can just click here download, and it will detect your version of Windows, and it will automatically download that installation setup. And as I have already installed the Atom, I am just going to show you all. So when you installed the Atom, this will open like that. And you can see there are lots of options actually showing here. Wait a minute, I am extending the screen so you can see properly. So as you open the Atom, there is an option for opening a project, choose a theme, and I am going to tell you which are the major extension and packages which you are going to require in this course. So first I'm going to show you all what are the major packages. So here I have made a list of major extensions for both Atom and VS Code. The both code editors are great, and from whichever you are comfortable you can use. But in this course actually I am going to follow the Atom because I am more comfortable with that. And if you can use Atom, you have not problem. I would recommend you to also to go with Atom. But there is one exception that if you are using 32-bit computer or Windows 7 and Windows 8, it will lag sometime, so you can go in that case with VS Code. So there are a major extension that I have mentioned here is Atom Beautify, Atom Turn JS, Autoclose HTML. You can take a screenshot here and install them. I will going to show you how to install packages. So just go and open the Atom, and as the Atom landed first after installation, you can see an option of install a package. You can just click on open installer, and it will show you options like core editor, URL handling system, key binding packages, and here last you can see the option to install. And as you click on that, there's option for search packages. Suppose I want to install Emmet, so I will just search for that, and you can see there are a lot of options. Just click on the install button. Since I have already installed another version of Emmet, so I'm not going to install, but as you click the install button, it will start the installation, and as it got completed, it will show the installation completed. Now there are also many other ways for opening the installation manager. You can just press Ctrl Shift P key, and you can go into the package manager also, and at the top of the option of Atom, actually just make me screen fine so you can see the whole. Now you can click the packages option on top, and you can see actually the setting view, and here's the option for install packages. Since I have already opened that, it will not going to open, so I'm first closing it. And now if you go to packages again and just click on the setting view, and you can now see option install packages and theme. Just click on that, and it's the same page that we have already opened from the original welcome home page. So that is one other way. So in that way actually you can install the Atom packages, and you can start doing some project. So further moving, if you are not comfortable with Atom, you can just go with, just wait a minute, VS Code. So it is also very great code editor, and as I have shown you, I have also mentioned the major extension tool that are comparable with Atom. So it is majorly developed by Microsoft, and you can download here if you are working on Windows 10, and if you are working on some 32-bit computers or any other version, you can just go into the other downloads and match your version and just download, click download, and it will start downloading. So it's also a great tool. So it's upon you which tool you want to use. I have shown you the Atom code editor, how to install packages. So that's for all. Please do it, and as you move on in the course, be along with me. If you want any help, if I'm in doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks.